Hey friends, how are y'all? When we were kids, we all would have heard varieties of stories, isn't it? Comment below your favorite childhood story. Many of us would have heard stories of fairies, angels, and the magic tricks, isn't it? And also, how can we forget a tooth fairy? Now tell me, how many of y'all really believed that the tooth fairy will come and will take your teeth and will give you a gift? Those were the best days of our life. We didn't need any expensive things to make us happy, just a chocolate or a toy that was enough. Now today, while drawing and painting this fairy, I'll share one such story of a fairy and a prince with donkey ears. Once, there was a king and a queen. They didn't have any children, so they went to three fairies. After listening to the king, they decided to give him a son. The beautiful fairy granted the child beauty. The intelligent fairy granted him smartness. And the third fairy was the wise fairy that granted him 2 donkey years. Now, as promised, the prince was born. He grew up with 2 donkey years, but was the smartest and the most handsome boy. He would always wear a hat to hide his ears and would never take it off. He was also a very mischievous boy. He used to make fun of everyone because he knew his father is a king and no one would punish him. Now one day, a royal barber came to cut his hair and saw the donkey ears. And now he couldn't keep it to himself, and soon the word spread across the kingdom. Now everyone started making fun of the prince. Finally, one day he pulled off his hat and confessed it's true that he has donkey ears. He also said sorry for making fun of others and their looks. He also felt very bad for how he had treated people earlier, because now he knows how it feels when someone makes fun of your looks. When the wise fairy came to know about this and that he has learnt his lesson, she appeared and got rid of his ears. She said, I granted you these years so you wouldn't become selfish. Now, be compassionate with everyone. Now we all know that fairies are in stories, but we can be compassionate with everyone. Never make fun of anyone's looks, because we never know what the other person is going through, what silent battles they are fighting, and we have no right also to judge anyone's looks. Everyone is unique and beautiful just the way they are. Like every flower is unique and beautiful in a garden. Spread happiness, kindness, and love wherever you go. Love yourselves just the way you are. Also friends, do suggest a lovely name for this fairy too in the comment sections below. Stay happy. Bye.